UPSC preparation is a marathon, not a sprint. Some days you feel highly productive, while others day you struggle to study even for an hour. You make plans, but distractions, procrastination, or self doubt slow you down. You worry if you are really moving forward or just wasting time. If you feel stuck in this loop, don't worry. Today I will share 3 powerful strategies that will ensure you make progress every single day, no matter what. So the first step is the 1% rule. Focus on small wins. Many aspirants make the mistake of aiming for huge progress in a single day. But progress doesn't happen overnight. It's built daily. Instead of focusing how much is left to study, focus on 1% improvement every day. Even if you study just one extra page, write one better answer, or improve your recall by 1%, you are moving. Small progress compounds into a big results over time. Success is not about big leaps, but consistent small steps. Our second step is non-negotiable tasks. No excuses, no procrastination. There will be days when motivation is low, but your commitment should remain strong. Set 3 non-negotiable tasks every day, tasks that you must complete no matter what. Example, write one answer every day, even if it's a short one. Revise at least one topic daily. Solve 10 MCQs even on your busiest day. Even on your worst days, if you complete your 3 non-negotiable tasks, you are still making progress. Our third and the last step is track your progress. Celebrate small victories. Many aspirants feel demotivated because they don't track how much they have improved. Keep a progress journal. Write down what you studied each day. At the end of the week, review your progress and celebrate your small wins. Tracking progress will remind you how far you have come and keep you motivated to push forward. When you see proof of your own hard work, you will never feel stuck. So at the last, progress is not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about taking consistent action every single day. Even on bad days, small efforts add up over time. If you stay committed, eliminate excuses, and track your growth, you will always move forward. Keep pushing, keep learning, and success will follow you. Thank you for watching this video. If this is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For now, bye bye and see you again.